Did you run into the chair? You were pushing it a lot faster earlier. Oh, look at you go! Look at you go! Look at you go! Right into the TV! Boom!
And they said VHS was no good. Stop them from hitting the TV.
Oh, it's the stairs. It's a tough call. Push my toy or go up the stairs. Can you get on it? Can you get on it, bud? No, I just want to push it around, Mom.